Today I'm going to show you how to make this pop-out effect using Canva. Go to Canva, uploads, and after uploading your images, let's drop the first one. Let's use this one as a background. And let's drop the second one. Go to elements and type hand holding smartphone. Let's go to photos, choose cut out only, and you will find many images like this. Let's use this one. Let's adjust the size and adjust the position of this image as well. Place it behind the phone and duplicate this image and keep one copy here, and let's crop it exactly with the corners of the phone. Go to corner rounding and increase. Let's remove the background of this one and align it, and you can crop it from the bottom, and here is the final results.